Welcome to the Germany. The heart of the Europe. A vibrant and beautiful European country famed for its rich culture, world-class education, and highly developed economy. Germany is the largest economy in Europe and the fourth largest in the world, with a population of over 83 million people. It is well known for precision engineering, cutting-edge technologies, and high-quality goods. Germany is well known for its numerous cultural contributions to the world, which include classical music, literature, and philosophy. Famous people born there include Johann Sebastian Bach, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Albert Einstein. The country is also well known for its delectable cuisine, with dishes like sausages, sauerkraut, and schnitzel gaining popularity around the world. Every year, millions of tourists visit this magnificent country. Germany has a population of over 83 million people and is noted for its advanced economy, world-class education system, and diverse cultural history. It has the largest economy in Europe and the world's fourth largest. Germany is a founding member of the European Union as well as the United Nations. Germany is a federal parliamentary republic in which the head of state is the president and the head of government is the chancellor. The country has a long political history, which includes the devastation of World War II and the subsequent separation of the country into East and West Germany. Germany, on the other hand, has since reunified and evolved into a stable democracy, noted for its robust social welfare system and commitment to environmental sustainability. Let's talk today about the beautiful places off Germany. Berlin, the capital city of Germany. Berlin is a vibrant and bustling city that's full of history and culture. From the iconic Brandenburg Gate to the Berlin Wall, there's so much to see and do in this city. Check out the impressive museums, delicious food markets, and lively nightlife. Munich. Munich is known for its beautiful architecture, delicious food, and lively beer halls. Don't miss out on the famous Oktoberfest if you're visiting in the fall. Take a stroll through the beautiful Englischer Garden, visit the impressive Nymphenburg Palace, and explore the city's many museums and galleries. Hamburg. Hamburg is a vibrant and lively port city that's full of energy. Explore the city's historic warehouse district, stroll through the picturesque Stadtpark, and take a boat tour of the city's canals. Don't miss out on the delicious seafood. Heidelberg. Heidelberg is a charming town that's famous for its stunning castle and beautiful old town. Take a stroll along the River Neckar, visit the impressive Heidelberg Castle, and enjoy the town's many museums and galleries. Cologne. Cologne is a beautiful city that's known for its impressive cathedral and beautiful old town. Take a stroll along the Rhine River, visit the city's many museums and galleries, and enjoy the delicious local cuisine. The Romantic Road. The Romantic Road is a scenic route that takes you through some of the most beautiful towns and landscapes in Germany. From the charming town of Rothenburg ob der Tauber to the stunning Neuschwanstein Castle, this is a road trip you won't forget. The Moselle Valley. The Moselle Valley is a beautiful wine-growing region that's full of charming towns, picturesque vineyards, and stunning river views. Take a boat tour of the river, explore the town's museums and galleries, and enjoy the delicious local wine. The Bavarian Alps. The Bavarian Alps are a stunning mountain range that's full of hiking trails, ski resorts, and beautiful scenery. Don't miss out on the impressive Zugspitze, the highest peak in Germany. Germany is a country that's full of surprises and hidden gems. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or just want to enjoy the beautiful scenery, history buff, a culture vulture, or just looking for a place to relax and unwind, Germany is the perfect destination. So pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos. If you like this videos, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And press the bell button for your next dream travel destination videos.